Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. So October month has finally arrived and this year it has got lots of surprises in terms of astronomical events. Yes, this October 2023 has got two beautiful meteor showers that are regular meteor showers, three planetary conjunctions along with planet Venus elongation and partial solar eclipse and partial lunar eclipse. So in this video today I am going to discuss about all these astronomical events of October 2023, that how we can see this, what is the best time and date to see them and where we can see them. So please watch the whole video and don't skip any point so that you will get complete information about every astronomical event in detail. But before beginning with the video, if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe to my channel for more such updates on astronomy, astronomical events as well as tutorials on astrophotography, that is smartphone astrophotography. Plus, if you are already a subscriber, then please like and share this video, and please share this video to maximum people who are astronomy lovers so that they can also know about this event and they can also get to see these astronomical events in October 2023. So without wasting much time, let's begin our today's video. So friends, you can see over here that I have opened the PPT which I prepared for the October 2023 astronomical events, and I am adopting a new method from today only, that if you want to take the screenshot of the information which I am sharing, so that you can take it, and I will be showing and I will be explaining all the events through this PPT. Okay, so first we are going to see with the conjunctions. So without wasting much time, let's begin. So conjunctions in astronomy means when two or more than two celestial bodies are coming closer to each other, then we can say that it is a conjunction. In reality, when we see it in the space or when this conjunction is happening, as we are seeing it from the earth, but in space they are not coming closer to each other. In our frame of reference, when we are an observer on the earth, we see them coming closer to each other in the sky, and hence we call them as conjunction. Okay, so 3 to 4 conjunctions are happening in this month. So the first conjunction is Moon Jupiter conjunction, which will take place on 2nd of October, and the timing to see this conjunction is after 11:30 p.m. till early morning. That is from the, you can say that after the let's say 11:30 p.m. on 2nd October up to the early morning of the 3rd October, and you don't need any special gears or equipments to see this conjunction. See, many conjunctions are occurring throughout the year, and even some of them are very rare conjunctions, but in that rare conjunctions also there are few conjunctions in which we can see both the celestial bodies in the same field of view of the telescope or the binoculars. But here in this month it is not like so. Okay, these are some normal, or you can say that is regular conjunctions. Okay, so these are occurring in every month, and not every month I mean say, but at a regular period of time. So you don't need any special gears, you can see them with the help of your naked eyes. Here I have used this Starwalk 2 application to take the screenshot, and you can see here that it is visible, and the direction is beginning with southeast and the conjunction will end in the southwest. So I have also kept the screen recording, so you can see over here that how it will start. So you can see in the screen recording after 11:30 it will start, that both Jupiter and Moon will come close to each other, and you can see that it will end in the early morning. Okay, so this was about the Moon Jupiter conjunction. Second is the Moon Pleiades conjunction, that will take place on 3rd of October, and here also the timing is almost same. You can start after the 11 p.m. on 3rd October up to the early morning, and same here also, as I said, that visibility is naked eyes, but for Pleiades you need to be under dark skies, let's say bottle 3 or bottle 4 skies, or even up to bottle 5 if the sky is completely blue and it is completely clear. And the same direction is there, beginning with southeast and ending in the southwest. And here also I have kept this screen recording, so you can see over here that it will start after 11 o'clock and it will end in the early morning. Okay, so this was about the Pleiades conjunction, and you can see that I will also zoom in a little bit. Yes, you can see over here. So this is how it will take place. The third conjunction is of Moon and Saturn conjunction. It will take place on 24th of October, and the timing is after 8:30 p.m. up to 2 o'clock in the morning, because this phase of the moon will be waxing gibbous. So after 2 o'clock the moon will go beyond the horizon, so we will not be able to see it. And same the cases of the visibility, it is visible naked eyes, and the direction is beginning with southeast and ending in the southwest. And here also I have kept this screen recording from this Starwalk 2 application, and you can see over here that how this conjunction will happen. Then I think the moon and planets are not getting that much close that we can see both of them in the same field of view of the telescope or the binoculars, but you can still use it to see the planet and the moon, okay, separately. And the last is the superior solar conjunction of Mercury, and it will take place on 20th of October. So contrasting to the earlier conjunctions, this conjunction is something different. Solar conjunction of a planet means when a planet is getting closer to the sun, or it will get hidden behind the sun's glare. So here also on 20th of October, Mercury will go on the superior solar conjunction, and it occurs, this type of conjunction occurs every 116 days. That is its synodic period of the Mercury planet, because the Mercury planet will complete one revolution in that time of period. That is called the synodic cycle, okay. And it will be about a separation of about 47 minutes 47 minutes from the sun, I guess, okay. So it will be totally unobservable for few weeks, and it will be lost behind the sun glare, and after some time the Mercury will get visible in the sky, okay. So this was about the conjunctions, and this is the last conjunction of this month. So let's see the meteor showers, which are the most interesting one. So in this month we have two meteor showers. First is the Draconids, that will peak on 9th and 10th of October, and the second is the Orionids, that will peak on 21st and 22nd of October. So if you know about meteor showers, then many meteor showers are occurring throughout the year, and I guess in every month we have a meteor shower, but not every meteor shower is fruitful, okay. The best meteor showers to see are the Geminids and the Perseus meteor shower. And if you know something about them, then you might be knowing that there is a certain point in the sky from which all the meteors originate, okay. So the same case is over here. So first we'll see when to see this meteor shower. So Draconids meteor shower will peak on 9th of October, that is evening of 9th of October, up to the early morning of the 10th of October, that is up to 2 o'clock, because after 2 o'clock the radiant will go below the horizon. Now you might be wondering that what is radiant. So first thing, make sure clear about this, that any meteor shower that you are seeing, you might be seeing the meteors anywhere in the sky, but all these meteors originate from a single point in the sky, which we called as a radiant point. So here also you can see over here, I will show you that where is the radiant, okay. So here we have the Draco constellation, and this part is the radiant. So meteors can be seen anywhere in the sky, but they will originate from this part only, which we call it as a radiant. So when radiant is very higher in the sky, then we can see maximum number of meteors. So first thing was clear that when to see it, that is evening of 9th of October and early morning of 10th of October, that is up to 2 o'clock. So you can start after, let's say, 8:30 or 9 o'clock on evening, that is you can say night of the 9th of October. Now where we can see this? So the direction for Draconids is north and northwestern skies, because it will, this Draco constellation will rise in the northeast, then it will go in the north, and then set in the northwest. And visibility is again naked eyes. You don't need any special equipments or gears. Just make sure the sky is clear and dark, that is you can be under bottle 1 or bottle up to bottle 1 to bottle 4 skies. Now you might be wondering that what is bottle skies. So light pollution is a term which is very much difficult. I mean, it is very creating a hindrance for amateur astronomers and astrophotographers, okay. You might be knowing that. So you need to move away from the city skies and go under dark skies. This light pollution is measured in terms of bottle scale, and it is a 9-level numeric scale. So as you move from bottle 1 to bottle 9, the light pollution increases. So the best bottle skies for this meteor shower is bottle class 1 to bottle class 4, because I have personally seen it, and I have also seen some bright fireballs also for this Draconids meteor shower. It was totally based on luck, but I was lucky that I got to see it. So this was about Draconids meteor shower, and it has a ZHR, that is zenithal hourly rate of 10 meteors per hour. So if you are under a perfect dark sky, then you can see about 10 to let's say 12 meteors per hour. So this was about it. See, don't worry about how to track it and how to photograph this meteor shower. I will be making dedicated videos on both Draconids as well as Orionids meteor shower in the later time, okay, and I will be uploading it soon, as soon as possible, so that you will also be able to track the radiant as well as photograph the meteor shower, okay. So let's see the Orionids meteor shower. So for Orionids meteor shower, the peak is on 21st and 22nd of October. See, meteor showers occur every year, and they are regular. So these are also regular, and they have a specific active period. But In that active period also we have a peak time where maximum number of meteors are seen. Okay, so for Orionids this peak is on 21st and 22nd of October, and the timing to see is let's say after the midnight of, okay, say from the midnight of 21st and 22nd of October up to the early morning. Okay, that is after 12 o'clock on 21st and 22nd up to the early morning. Now where we can see this, so the direction to see this Orionids meteor shower is southeast to southwest sky, because the Orion constellation is the radiant constellation. As I said earlier, what is radiant? So you can see over here, this is the radiant of Orionids meteor shower, and it will rise in the southeast, then it will go in the south, and then in the southwest. So this is the direction in which you have to arrange yourselves, and you have to gaze for the meteor showers. And here also visibility is naked eye, and ZHR is more, it is 20 meters per hour. I have actually seen a bright fireball of Orionids meteor shower also, and I have photographed it. I am going to show my image which I photographed with my smartphone later on. Okay, and the suitable skies of for this Orionids meteor shower is class 1 to class 5 skies. Okay, again I am saying I will be making detailed video that how to see it and how to track it and how to photograph it with the phone. So this is the image which I have captured with my smartphone last year from my village. I was under water class 4 skies, and it was about morning, let's say about 4:30 to in between 4:30 to 5 o'clock, and I was photographing it, and luckily I got a bright meteor. You can see over here, this is Orion belt and this is the Orion nebula. Okay, so you can do it, and I will be making a different video on this, and you might be able to capture it. Okay, so this was about meteor showers. I hope you are getting much information from this. And then we have the annular solar eclipse. This solar eclipse is not going to be visible in India, and it will be visible in the few states of the United States. Okay, particularly the southwest region, that is from Oregon to Texas. Okay, you might be aware about the 3 different types of solar eclipse, that is partial, annular and total. So this solar eclipse of 14th October is of annular solar eclipse. Partial is when the moon is covering some portion of the sun, and total is when the moon is covering completely portion of the sun, and you can see that a bead is also forming, or you might have seen in videos also. And this is the annular, which is somewhat you can say a rare type, because here a ring of fire is seen, you can see in this image. Okay, so it is going to be visible in the southwest states of US, and the ring of fire will last about for 5 minutes and 17 seconds, and it will be visible maximum through the Nicaragua and Costa Rica region. Okay, so if you are under that region, or if you are close to that, then you can definitely try to see this. Make sure you wear proper solar glasses to see this meteor shower, I mean not meteor shower but sorry, annular solar eclipse. And please keep the students, and you can say kids, away from telescopes and binoculars if you are not using any proper solar filter. Okay, so make sure you use proper solar glasses and solar filter for, or not solar glasses but typical eclipse glasses, solar eclipse glasses. Okay, so this was about the annular solar eclipse, and if you want more detailed information regarding this, then you can visit timeanddate.com, and here also you can visit on the space.com, where a detailed map is also shown for the annular solar eclipse. Okay, so I hope that you are now clear regarding it. I am also making a video on this also, that how to see it, so stay tuned for that. Then we have the Venus greatest elongation on October 24th, and this elongation means that when the Venus will be at the highest point in the eastern direction. If it was the western, then it will be in the western. Okay, so you might be seeing Venus planet early in the morning skies at present, and on 24th of October it will reach its greatest elongation. So that is the best time to see the planet Venus, because it will be much brighter, and it will reach at an elongation of 46.4 degrees from the sun. Okay, so this was about the Venus greatest elongation. And at last we have the full moon. Okay, that occurs every month. So this month the full moon is called as the hunter's moon. Okay, so it is given name because of the some traditional practices and so. Okay, it does not relate anything with the effect on us. Okay, so don't believe on those type of things. It is just given a simple name on base of some practices. So this full moon of October 2023 is called hunter's moon. And as you know that the solar eclipse is not alone, it is either coming 2 or 3 weeks before or 2 or 3 weeks after this lunar eclipse. So on 28th of October we have the partial lunar eclipse also, and you can see these are the timings. I have taken this data from timeanddate.com, and they have detailed, let's say, time chart also. So if you want to see that how much proportion of the let's say moon surface will get covered by the earth's shadow, then you can visit timeanddate.com, set your location and set the timing also, okay, according to your time zone, and then you can see that at which time it will begin and it will reach maximum and then finally end. So this was about the partial lunar eclipse of this year, and I think every event is covered now, you can see over here. Okay, so this was the last event of this, so I mean October month. So if you like this video, then please like and share it ahead, because I want to reach more number of people through this channel, because I have something bigger plans for you all. But since the reach is low, so I am expecting to get a better reach, and then I will start it. Okay, I am about to begin a completely new series for beginners of or smartphone astrophotography. Okay, so these were the events of October 2023, and if you want more such updates like this on astronomy, astronomical events, as well as astrophotography tutorials, then please subscribe to my channel. And memberships are also available now, so if you want to thanks me, then you can join the channel through memberships, and you can also get access to exclusive perks as well as my unlisted videos and members only videos also. Okay, so thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.